Well, we have some oil, transmission fluid, and some brake fluid. That's right, it's all about the maintenance, my friends. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. We're talking about under hood maintenance, sticking with the basics. Stuff like engine oil, brake fluid, all kinds of things, belts, hoses, air filter, everything that you can visually look at under the hood. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at what we should look at. Start with your hoses, your belts. Just kind of feel them, make sure nothing's leaking, make sure they're not hard or damaged. Take your serpentine belt, give it a good tug, make sure that it's tight and everything's right. All your electrical plugs, your vacuum lines, everything. Go over to your battery. You want your cables to be secure. You want your battery itself to be secure. You don't want it flopping around when you're going down the road. Then you're going to check your fluids. Start with your oil. You want to make sure that it's good. Smell it, feel it, the texture. Just because it's black doesn't mean it's spent, but you want to make sure you check it well. Over to the transmission fluid, follow your manufacturer's specifications, maybe running, maybe not running. Make sure the level's right. Once again, feel it, smell it, make sure that it's right. Check your brake fluid, look inside of there. If you can see through the container, that's great. All your hoses, all your lines, make sure there's no leaks. Check the back of the booster. Dealing with power steering fluid, you might want to follow the manufacturer specification again, running or not running. Just check it. When you're checking your coolant, if you can look through your reservoir, that's fantastic. But what I don't want you to do is go take that top off. If that car's hot, that's extremely dangerous. Wait till it's cold. And then moving over to the air filter. A lot of times it's not looked at. You want to make sure that it's good, not full of debris. You can check your wipers while you're under there. But there's a lot going on, Len, when it comes to under hood inspections. Man, that's going to cause a lot of problems if it's not right.
Yeah, maintenance is a huge deal. As you just stated, all of those things need to be looked at, and AMSOIL does have product for all of those different fluids, so make sure you're looking at those and make sure you're using a quality product to ensure long life of your vehicle. One thing I want to mention though, and it's a little off topic for the oil company to talk about the air filter, but the air filter is extremely important. Even the best synthetic cannot prevent particulates or sand or different things that you're seeing when you're driving your car down the road from getting in that engine. So that is the job of the air filter. So make sure that thing is maintained, because even the best synthetics can't deal with sand in your air cleaner.
Yeah, we got a good demo we always like to use. This is pretty cool. So this is a new one. You can see it's new, and if I shine the light through it, you can see that it's super bright on the other side. And this one here, it doesn't really look like the end of the world. I mean, it's a little dirty, but if I put the light on the back, you can see it barely shines through there. So that's telling you a lot what's going on. The business end's on the bottom, so you want to make sure you check it good. Len, what about the oil? I mean, that's just a serviceable item. You got to change it all the time.
Well, you change the oil at the manufacturer's recommended drain interval whenever your light comes on, or if you're doing extended drains. Whatever you like is what we're comfortable with. We've got oils for different types of drain intervals, but even if it's black, it doesn't necessarily mean that there's anything wrong with it. It just means that the oil is doing its job. So write down when you put it in, reset your light, just make sure you're changing it at a regular interval.
You know, folks, if you ask any professional athlete, well, he'll tell you it's all about the basics. That's how he got so good. Don't overlook the basic items. The maintenance items on your vehicle are key to the longevity of your engine. And to find all those maintenance items, just go to AMSOIL.com.